Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This morning I am making homemade biscuits and I'm gonna show you how. There's just 2 ingredients. It is super simple and easy. It's not complicated. You don't have to get frozen butter and grate it and do all that crazy stuff. All you need is heavy whipping cream. This is fresh cream, but you can use heavy whipping cream from the store. You can use Walmart brand. And then White Lilly, that's what I use, White Lilly flour, Self Rising. These biscuits are very fluffy, and they have a great taste. It's salty enough. They're delicious to just be 2 ingredients. I have a biscuit cutter, but if you don't have a biscuit cutter, use a jar or anything with a round lid to it. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna try some with the jar, and then I'm gonna try some with the biscuit cutter because the biscuit cutter is thinner than the jar, so we'll see if there's any difference. And then one thing I wanna point out, when you cut the biscuit, do not twist, just go straight down. My oven is preheating to 400 and I have my skillet in the oven. You wanna go ahead and do that because if your skillet's not hot, you're not gonna have a nice crunch to the bottom of your biscuit. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's the biscuits. These 3 were with the jar, the rest were with the cutter, and then that was just some leftover. So here it is. Reason for heating the pan up is so you can have that kind of bottom, a little crispy bottom. Let's do a taste test. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Fluffy. I don't know if the light's picking it up.
Mama.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good job, Mama.
You have it on
Yes.
your lip.
So Mama did a good job, huh?
Good job. That is really good.
And that's how you make homemade biscuits. It's that easy with just 2 ingredients, and it's super fluffy and delicious. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.
See you next time.